Do you know that TikTok is paying out a shit ton of money to content creators in 2024? Now, if you're in Nigeria or any other African countries, you probably found out that you're not eligible because the countries that are eligible are countries like the United States, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and the United Kingdom. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up an international TikTok account so that you can join the TikTok creativity program. But before that, I want to talk about the eligibility requirements. So to be eligible for the TikTok creativity program, the first thing you need to know is that you must be at least 18 years old. You must have at least 10,000 followers. You must have a minimum of 100,000 valid video views in the last 30 days. You must have a personal account and not a business account, because business accounts are obviously not accepted. You must abide by TikTok's community guidelines. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so you can go find out about the TikTok guidelines. Then the sixth criteria, which is the one that this video is about, is that you must be located in a region where TikTok creativity program beta is available. Like I said, countries like the United States, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and the United Kingdom. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up your account, an international TikTok account, and be able to join the TikTok creativity program from anywhere in the world. So whether you're in a country that is eligible or not, you can set up an account by following the steps in this video. So let's go to my phone. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, fam. So first things first, before you get going, you need to get these things. You need to have the TikTok app. You need to have a VPN software or a VPN app. Then you need to have your web browser. Now, the VPN software I'm using is called BetterNet. It's free. As you can see, you can get more VPN time by watching ads. Then it has a lot of countries, especially when you get to pay for their services. As you can see, it has a lot, but these ones are the top, are the free ones. As you can see, I have the United Kingdom selected. You can see other countries that you want to choose. That's a lot of countries. So before I power on the VPN, I would like to show you my current location. So to do that, go to your web browser and visit the website called iplocation.net. as you can see. So when you go to iplocation.net, it's going to detect your current IP address and what country the IP is located. As you can see, mine is showing NG here, showing Lagos, NG, Airtel Nigeria, Android platform. So now you know that I'm in Nigeria, but I'm going to power on the VPN now. So I power on the VPN. It's going to change and show connected. As you can see, it's going to be showing disconnect and it's going to be blue. Right now, I'm going to go back to my browser and I'm going to refresh this page to see if my location, my IP location has changed. So after loading, scroll down and you're going to see your new location. So as you can see right now, it's showing GB, which stands for Great Britain, showing London, England, and showing my ISP is also showing Android. So I've successfully changed my location. The next you want to do is open a new tab in your browser and go to tiktok.com. So I'm going to go to private mode because I already have a TikTok logged in. So I'm going to go to tiktok.com. So I'm going to do tiktok.com, just search for it. It's going to load up TikTok. Once it loads up TikTok, not now, accept, go to where it says profile, click on it. It's going to take you to the next page. Click on sign up and basically put in your details. So click on use phone number or email and put in your birthdays, and we'll just select any of this for the purpose of testing. Now where it says US number and phone number, just switch to email and put in a new email address that you just created for the purpose of this account. Let me say kcblack@gmail.com. Put in your email, click on next. It's going to take you to the next step where you have to put in your password. Put in a valid password like 123, or let me just say Mumu pass. Oh my god, at 123. Okay, then click on sign up. Right, you're gonna receive a 6-digit email. Put in the email and boom, your account is created. I'm not gonna proceed with this because it's gonna waste your time. So after you must have created your account, the next thing you want to do is go to your TikTok app. Go to your TikTok app and log in your new account. So once you log in your new account, you're gonna see that your account is gonna have some features. Sorry about that. As you can see, I just created this one using the same procedure I just shared. So to know if it worked, click on this bootstrap menu icon, click on creators 2. It's going to take you to the creativity panel where you're going to see what you are eligible for. So as you can see under here where it says monetization, you're going to see creators, marketplace, subscription, creativity, program bidder, work with artists. Normally on a normal account you just see like 2 features. You will not see some other things like this marketplace. You won't see it, I guess. So Creator Academy promote. Once you see this promote, it means that you are in an eligible country, because ineligible country can't promote on TikTok. So that is basically it. Another way to tell if you're eligible is to head over to the menu and check your balance. So as you can see right here, it's showing this currency as my balance. That means it's a UK account. So that's basically it. That's how to do it. If you have any questions, maybe there's something I didn't cover, you can go down. Also, if you don't want to use any VPN software, you can go and search for this privacy browser. Search for Epic privacy browser. Epic browser, APK. Epic browser is really good. This is the icon. This is what it looks like. I also make use of this. For example, I think, let me look for it. Epic. It's been a while since I used it last. So this is Epic browser. So on Epic browser, all you have to do is just open a brand new tab. So on the home page, you're going to see this. As you can see where it says proxy location, you can see USA West. You can see USA East, UK, Germany, France, Canada, Netherlands, Singapore. So you can use this to actually also apply for the creativity program. Yeah, also another thing, let's say you already have a TikTok account logged in and you want to just also log in your other account. All you have to do is click on this button right here that says profile, and you're going to be on this page. Then at the very top, you're going to see this arrow pointing down. Click on the arrow, then sorry, let me shift that. Click on the arrow, the down arrow, and you're going to see switch account. All you have to do is click on add account and put in your, and at the bottom click on login, then click on the first option, use email, switch to email/username, then put in the account you just created. Put in the email, put in the password, then boom, you're going to be in your account. Just in case you tried and they are giving you an error like too many attempts, all you have to do is choose the I forgot my password option. So put in your email, let's say Investor Black. Okay, Investor Black, continue. All you have to do is use this I forgot my password option, and boom, you're going to be sent a one-time pin that you can use to reset your password, and at that point you're going to be able to log in irrespective of whether your VPN is on or off. As far as the account has been created successfully, you are good to go. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, show me some love, subscribe to my channel, also share this video so it gets to people that need this information. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.